They are looking at the structure of DNA, which is one of the most important biological molecule known to life.
Biological molecule? Never heard of this term before.
Gracie, you are a biology student, so I must explain to you about biological molecules today.
Yes, please.
All right. Let us start off with the three important biological molecules: carbohydrates, fats, and proteins.
Ah, those I've heard of before.
Well, they are biological molecules that can be found in all life forms.
Really? My sister is so skinny that I doubt if she has an ounce of fat on her.
No, all life forms must have carbohydrates, fats, and proteins.
Ah, okay.
Let us explore carbohydrates first. All carbohydrates are made up of only carbon, oxygen, and hydrogen atoms. A carbohydrate can be a simple sugar such as glucose or fructose, or have a complex structure like starch and cellulose. Here are the structures of glucose and fructose. These are examples of the most basic form of carbohydrate.
Teacher, I get it that glucose and fructose are simple sugars, but what's their difference?
The difference is that glucose has a hexagonal shaped ring, whereas fructose has a pentagonal shaped ring.
Okay, so what do you mean by starch and cellulose being complex structures?
Well, when two or more carbon rings combine together, a complex structure is formed.
Oh, you mean carbon rings can be joined together?
Yes, for instance, if we join glucose and fructose, we get sucrose, and sucrose would be considered as having a complex structure.
Oh wow! Isn't sucrose commonly found in fruit drinks?
That's right. Let's learn some definitions now. Sugar with a single sugar molecule are known as monosaccharides. Sugar with two sugar molecules are also known as disaccharides.
Ah, since sucrose is made of one glucose molecule and one fructose molecule, it is a disaccharide because there are two sugar molecules.
That is right.
So I guess those with more than two sugar molecules are called polysaccharides?
That's right. So, since both starch and cellulose are made up of many sugar molecules linked together, they are known as polysaccharides.
Got it.
This diagram shows a starch molecule which is made up of hundreds of sugar molecules joined together.
What about cellulose?
Cellulose is more complex. Cellulose is made up of thousands of sugar molecules joined together to form a string-like fiber. Have a look.
Okay.
There is also glycogen. Glycogen is stored in our body as form of energy. It is also made up of many sugar molecules.
Oh no, teacher. Information overload.
No worries. This will help.
Oh, now I see the pattern. Large molecules like starch, glycogen, and cellulose are made up of many smaller sugar molecules linked together. Each of these large molecules have their own unique structures.
That is absolutely right. For your information, starch can be found in plants. Glycogen can be found in animals and fungi. Cellulose can be found in the cell walls of plants.
I see.
Now, let me give you a short quiz to test on your understanding.
I'll try my best.